suggestion of anything middle.
Hazard. Buckle.
I heard hazard and buckle.
Buckle.
I heard buckle though.
Okay.
All right, but we'll also take Malcolm. Thank you so much. And hazard. Hazard, buckle, Malcolm. Careful. Don't. No.
We gotta get through here.
No, hold on.
I got a flight ticket.
Hold on. Not with that buckle.
What?
You got a problem with that buckle?
I'll never pass the detectives.
Listen, I'm a big shot, okay? I got a private jet to catch, so let me through. Yeah.
Sorry, this airport terminal is under strict security guidelines, sir.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know who I am?
Alright everybody, Malcolm should be here right now. His jet was supposed to land on the runway.
His private
jet was supposed to land on the runway about 20 minutes ago. If you just be patient, have some of the snacks. Please don't boo me. Please don't boo me. I'm doing my best, okay? Who booed? Please don't boo me. I'm doing my best. I'm getting paid minimum wage to make sure that a bunch of
Yeah, I was in the briefing, but who cares? I don't know who you are.
There's a whole group. You just got briefed about it. Wait for
Who
me.
pays attention in briefings? The point of the matter is your buckle's too big.
Listen, this is a souvenir buckle that was given to me by a bullfighter, and I cannot take it off. Thank you, right?
Stop talking to me.
I wasn't directed to you, it was directed to the audience.
Sorry, sir, you have to take that buckle off and put it through the scanner.
Listen, I could buy and sell you in this whole airport 3 times over. Let me get on my jet, and I won't have you disappeared.
So, and I know as human traffickers, you're really excited to get some tips about how to buy and sell people and everything, but like...
And his private jet.
And his private jet, and I know, and he will be here.
I
Trust
put
me.
my life savings into the seminar, and I'm really expecting to learn.
Thank you. And the boss, the big boss lady upstairs says thank you.
Big
Thanks
boss
for your patience.
I may have even been to seminars, but I don't take notes.
I've wasted so much time talking to you. Do you realize that within the time you've been talking, that it's the buckle? All right. Listen, you want the buckle off?
No.
The people don't want me to take it off. Listen, they love it. It demands respect.
I haven't had shoes on for a really long time. I just want to know what you
Okay, Malcolm. This is very hard for me to say, but
Don't hold back.
wow, these 37 years have been great.
They are in a place.
You can be honest with me. I'm very thick-skinned.
They are eating food.
I just don't feel the connection that we used to have. And, you know, we bought this place together. Oh, yes.
There is recessed lighting, and
The clock on the wall tells time.
Martin, you barely touched your food. What is it?
It's just so lukewarm. I don't want to be together anymore. 37 years, I've lost my connection to you. I don't feel, I look at you and I see nothing. I see just, what are you doing?
They are wearing pants.
First off, are you convulsing? Are you trying? See, this is
I
why
have thick skin, and I said don't hold back. I'm just doing my facial exercises.
Okay, this is the problem. I'm trying to connect with you and you're doing your facial exercises. This is not how you make a connection. Are you feeling sad or is this just the thing that's going on with you?
I'm feeling neutrally about being in a place with you, eating food, and hearing that after 37 years of our lives, you're done.
I thought this is great. This is gonna save our network. This is the show. This is the very mid show that everyone.
We really are appealing to a wide group of people by not giving any definitive.
How's your pregnancy going?
I'm feeling good.
Okay.
It's all right here.
I
didn't want to say anything, but it looks like it's been at the same size for 6 months. And
I
that
don't
just
want
feels
it to
like-
get any older. I said you're staying right there.
It should stay the way.
I'm not ready.
Listen, ma'am, it does need to come out. It's been in there for 12 months.
No, I said not until the house is all good to go. Stop.
Let it out.
Not there.
Listen, I can't force you to have it.
Do you have like any nuts?
Oh, what a day! I had 5 deliveries today. Oh my gosh!
I couldn't even get through the one.
You were in there for 10 hours.
I'll be there.
So how was delivering the mail today?
I did 5 of them.
You gotta do more, you're gonna get fired!
I was delivering the females today. I did 5.
Please, would you stop skipping around? My wife's trying to give birth.
I just want you to know that I
You can sit down, honey.
That doesn't work like that. If you no.
It doesn't work. The women
You
give
don't want to
birth.
sit down. I
I'm your
need my
child
yoga
from
ball.
the future.
I'm sorry, what?
Your child from the future. From the future.
And
And
you're,
whose head am I holding?
My head. You're a child from the future. Why is it so complicated?
Look, I really think you shouldn't do this. I think it's gonna be confusing.
Listen, I just gotta know. I gotta know what happens that day.
You could freak them out and then they could accidentally, I don't know, not give birth to you or something.
I'm just asking for the yoga ball. I
Don't
want
do the yoga ball. Don't do the yoga ball.
what happens if we do the yoga
I
ball?
can't tell
Oh,
you.
no, I need a yoga ball.
Don't do it.
My wife's, are you gonna die?
Am I dead?
I mean, like after this.
No, don't do it.
She's gotta give birth to you, okay? I don't know where the doctor is, but we're gonna handle this ourselves.
The issue, you don't know what I bounce out of here.
Okay, so
I just bounce out and I get a new family and I should have been with you.
Yeah, listen, I'm sure it's something I should be doing right now, but listen, I want to hear more about these deliveries.
I think this is your. This is mine. Oh, thank you for holding my skin. Yeah, appreciate it.
The gondola can take only one.
This is how you're gonna break up with me? You get this nice gondola and then you tell me it's made for what?
This is the ride. It's a beautiful day.
I didn't know how else to end it than where we started it.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, kiss the
Well, I'm not gonna jump into the water.
You're unappealing to me. After a lifetime of intimacy, I don't like you. You're awful. I want out.
Well, I
You
can't
need to
swim.
change the music.
different song.
Different song. Can you look
There are
up
many
the-
stops on the gondola ride.
I'm a maniac.
Doritos on my mind.
I can't believe it's come to this. That you would.
It's a
Go back
gondola
to
ride.
The other song. Yes, that one.
I remember our first ride being much better.
Sorry, hold on for 1 second.
Yes.
Can you do anything about this music?
It's piped in.
So we both missed our gondola rides, but I feel like we just happened upon a meet cute.
Well,
Did I hear meat?
Yeah, do you have any,
I've got plenty.
any cute strips or something?
Yes. This right here was about to cook, but I can sell it.
That looks pretty cute.
I like it and you.
It's old dog. New trick. Try.
Okay. Yeah. I'll try. Yeah.
Here, this is a sample.
Whoa!
If you like it, try it.
They are outside.
Oh,
This little fella's so cute.
try and eat him.
Oh, he couldn't possibly.
Again, it's just a sample.
Okay.
They like it.
Oh my God. Well, don't talk to dog.
We just had our Lady and the Tramp moment while eating a tramp. So
You buy? You wanna buy?
I think we'll buy. I would hazard a guess to say we will buy. Yes.
Great.
Okay.
Look at the sign. That's how much it is.
Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. I'm good for 50.
Oh.
No, that's not possible, is it?
What?
I took a pee test just now. I know I did.
What? Oh my God!
I picked it.
Oh no!
God.
Oh!
I gotta
Okay.
call my family.
Okay. I had a kid somewhere. Hold on.
Oh my. Oh.
Hi, honey.
Yeah?
I'm gonna be a dad. Remember I went to Italy?
Yes.
Okay. So I met someone and we shared a dog. Yeah, she's pregnant.
Oh boy, I've never done this before.
This is amazing.
Oh my goodness.
I just.
Okay.
Oh, it's so
Jesus
beautiful.
Christ.
Have you ever delivered female before?
I'm not female, but I've delivered male. But very different.
Oh, it's out.
Oh,
Oh, it's out. I felt it. I know it's true.
okay. Well.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It's a-
Do you like your
Do you
sibling?
like sibling?
honey,
Oh.
listen.
Yeah? Oh! Sounds dead.
It's fine. We're going.
And we're almost up.
We're almost
Get your
up.
hands and arms and legs and everything inside the car, please.
I'm ready.
It's still going up. Okay.
Hope everyone buckled up.
What?
Oh. I didn't buckle up.
Just go with it.
Okay. I really didn't buckle. Like I'm in the front and I didn't buckle up. You think that's gonna be a problem?
No, I think you're gonna be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't die.
Oh. No.
Okay. That doesn't sound promising.
No, you're not gonna die. We're gonna be together forever. Hands up.
I'm telling you, I don't think you should go to your husband in the future.
I don't understand.
Because he needs to die. He needs to die. Otherwise, you won't win the money, and then you won't be able to have the friends who are become the president.
I don't know if I need the money.
It's not about need. It's about our world as it currently is. You could mess up the fabric of space-time.
Listen, I want to play a cool guitar solo.
Okay. Well, that I can do.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm still okay. At the theme park that day, there is a solo going on that you could usurp,
Okay.
but you have to start on the ride.
Listen,
Yes.
I just think that if he's gonna die, maybe his head should stay on.
I'll try. I don't really have control of these things. I can just tell you where to go and what to
Why
do.
do you
You're gonna
keep
have to
sending
go
me
out.
to the past if I can't change?
Eric Snail only has to pay. I have a custom. Yes, sir.
I made a 215 play.
Okay, great. So, what we're doing? Yes, no, yes, no?
Yes.
Great. So just grab the head when you go. Now, just when you go. Okay, no, get in the pod. Very funny, get in the pod. All right, you're just gonna be sucked up. 3, 2, you've done this before. All right, what can we do for you?
I need to go back in time and make sure a certain private jet gets on a certain runway by a certain precise moment. Otherwise, my whole career is...
Great. That's enough details for me. There we go. Okay. All right. You know that you can't meet yourself, right? You might possibly end up...
I wouldn't want to. I'm an asshole.
Oh, you seem very nice to me, but, you know, I'm also an asshole, so two assholes don't meet.
Yeah.
Oh, they do. Anyway,
Do I have to do anything to prepare? Like any, do I, my clothes? The clothes will just automatically go with me?
they will come off. So, they won't come off the bed. All right, here we go. Ready? And get in the pod, get in the pod.
Oh, no.
Get in the pod.
Oh, no.
Get in the pod. Very funny. Get in the pod. Get in the pod. Okay, and...
Yeah, hi, somebody fought my baby last week, and I want to go back in time and fight the person who fought my baby.
Okay. Do you have any major credit cards? Because they could hurt if you have them on your body. Because they take the plastic out of your hands.
I have Visa Amex card.
Great. This will be here when you get back. I'm just gonna put it in the puppy, and I'm gonna give you the combo. I don't know what it is.
Okay, and the car keys.
Car keys, yes, I will take.
Oh,
I just feel like you are not seeing me at all when you come home from work and you're saying you have this big day at work.
Where's the food?
Maybe I want to make our babies. Maybe I want us to have a good time together. But you come home and
Yes, go on.
you come home and you start swaying your hand and
Okay.
you're sweating.
That's normal. Yes.
Well, yes, I know. And also you talk about how you had a 2:15 appointment and everybody
I
was-
did?
Yes.
I love my job. You knew that when I married you. Job first, you second. Not a thing because you're not important or whatever, but you know, job first, you second.
Oh, I don't know.
Food! Energy needed for work tomorrow.
I want to be Santa.
Oh, no. I told you I would never do it.
Well, it's that or divorce. You sent me somewhere, okay, out of this place, out of this neutral tone floor, and out of this lukewarm cup of water. You sent me away
Now
from
you're back to the ice cold drinks. All right, fine, but you're not going to back in time to deal with us or anything or get rid of me, right? Because then you won't be having gone back in time, and then you'll just...
I can never follow these things.
I know, it's difficult to understand, but we're not dealing with a one timeline here, not deviations.
Well, I love when you talk like this. You know
Yeah.
that's
The belt.
yeah.
I gotta jet.
Take off the belt.
I can't do that. You know I love this bill.
Whoa, I'm sorry.
What's this all about?
I'm sorry. You can't go past with that buckle on.
You know what?
man is naked!
That's our show!
I'd like to thank our teams tonight. Thank you to the Gordons. Thank you to Ratno. Filling in at the last second. Thank you to Swiss Fish for fucking bailing on us. Thank you to Honeymoon for being my honeymoon. Thank you to Light on Lights. Thank you to Nate for hosting. Can we, and who brought wine? We're officially arriving, and one more time to the guru of improv, Steve Martin. Yeah!